Right, let's have a look at how to work a double crochet US, treble crochet UK. So the double crochet US, treble crochet UK is 3 chains high. Sometimes this changes depending on your personal tension, but we're just going to go with 3 for today. So at the beginning of the round, beginning of the row in this case, we're going to chain 3. I've changed colour just so you can see the difference in the stitches. So I'm going to bring the yarn around the hook, pull through 1, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 3. So that gives us a nice tall chain to work our US double crochet UK treble. So the first thing we do, yarn around the hook. Then we're going to put the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. So you've got 3 loops on the hook, and now the next stage is done in 2 parts, and this is to give the stitch a little bit of height. So we bring the yarn over the hook and pull through just 2 loops, and then the yarn over the hook and pull through another 2 loops. So that is the height of a UK treble US double crochet. So let's do another one. Yarn around the hook, then into the stitch, pull up a loop. So we've got 3 loops on the hook. We work yarn over, back through 2. So you've got 2 on the hook, yarn over, back through 2. So that is the height of a treble, UK treble, US double crochet. Let's have a look at another one. Remembering all times at this point I'm working into the stitch itself, so I'm going underneath the V shape along the top of your crochet. Yarn around into the stitch and pull up a loop. So you've got 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through just 2 loops, so you're left with 2 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. Let's do it again. Yarn over, into the stitch and pull up a loop. So you've got 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, back through 2, and yarn over, back through 2. So we go yarn over, into the stitch and pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's have another go. Yarn around the hook, into the stitch and pull up a loop. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's just slow it down a little bit. With the yarn around the hook, I always take the yarn around the back of the hook. Some people might take it around the front. I always take it around the back. I don't think it actually matters at all. So do whatever is more comfortable for you. So I'm going to yarn around the hook. I'm going to take my hook into the stitch. I'll just show you there. I'm going through those 2 strands underneath them. I'm going to pull up a loop. So we have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I just want to show you, I've quite often got my thumb on these stitches to hold them steady while I pull through. And that gives you flexibility to move this hook around. No point in having a hook on the end if you can't move it. And I've often said, you know, if your hook's up there, it's not going to help. So just use your hook there to pull it through. Let's go again. Yarn over, into the stitch and pull up a loop. We've got 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is the US double crochet or a UK treble. Let's have a look at the US treble stitch, UK double treble.